Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today we see another class that exists in date and time API. And the first one, or the next one, it is period. What is period class? Period class is to get the quantity of the time between two dates. To get, for example, how many years, how many months, how many hours, etc., etc., etc. So, for example, if I want to get the age, my age or any other age, how to do this? I will do it like this. With local date, I don't use local date and time, just local date, birth date, equal, local date, dot of, I will specify a particular date. So here it is 1985, for example, in May 5 and 10. Okay? And now I create another date, local date, today, equal local date dot now. Now what I will do, I will create object of period. So I will use period class p equal period dot between. There are a lot of methods, of course, but here I will use between. Between the birth date and the today. Now if I want to get the age, for example, with the year, month, and days, I book system.out.printf. Printf. Your age is percentage d years, percentage d month, and percentage d days. And this is what I will do. P dot get years and p dot get months and p dot get days. Okay? So it is so simple. I want to get quantity of time or of days. I will use it like this. So I will execute this program computer to see the result, and I will come back to continue. Let's do. So let's see how to use the class period. So let's start. Local date, birth date equal local date dot of. Here I have said I think 1985, and here May, and here 10. Okay, I will create another date. Like this, local date today equal local date dot now. Now I want to create period to get number of year, etc. Period p equal period dot between. As you said, I have another method, but here we use between. So between birth date and today. And now I make system out printf, sorry, system dot out dot printf. So the age, your age is percentage d years, percentage d month, and percentage d days. So here I will put p dot get years, p dot get month, and p dot get days. Okay, let's see this, what we got. Is your age. Your age is 35 years, 3 months, and 0 days. Cool. So now I will make another thing. I suppose the average of age of mankind, any person, is 60. Okay, so if I make this date, local date, this date equal local date dot of this year, I think 1985 plus 60. Okay, also 5 month May and 10. And here what I will do, period P2 equal period dot between today and this date. And I will display how many days that I have or the person have before the this. Or he goes. So he must achieve what he must do. Important thing. Okay? So system out.println printf, sorry. The number of the days that you have is %d. So achieve the important thing before you die. Okay, but before this I will just create a variable to create this number of days. So int days equal p2 dot get years multiplied by 165, because I convert all the value in days, plus p2 dot get month multiplied by 30, sorry, plus p2 dot get days. Okay, I want to get my value by days. Now in system out in printf, sorry, I added this value days. Okay, so I will go to the computer to see the result. How many days we have? I repeat, I don't know. Maybe I will die after 1 second before to finish this video. I don't know. Only God knows this. Only God. So we will execute the program, and I come back to continue to see another class, inshallah. Let's go. So let's try now with the this date. So I create the local date, this date equal local date dot of 1985 plus 60 is average 5 and 10. Okay, and now I say that I create variable int days equal period, before this period p2 equal period dot between today and this date. Okay, and here create a variable days p2 dot get years multiplied by 365 plus p2 dot get month multiplied by 30 plus p2 dot get days. And now system dot out dot printf you have just %d days before to die, so achieve the important things. And here
days. So how many days he have or she has. So Ren, oh, have a lot of, no, not a lot of, it is 9,030 days. Good, let's continue.
There are another class in the Java 8 about date and time API, and it is year. How to use this class? For example, I want to know if the year that I give in the program is leap or no. Do you know what does it mean leap? Year leap? If the year is divided by 4. Okay? So, but I don't use some calculation or anything else. No, I will use this class here. Okay? I will use this class to achieve this, to know if the year is leap or no. So, how to use this? I will give him a value. The program to give any value, I will use scanner. You know how to use scanner. Okay, for input value to put any value in your keyboard. So I will create scanner s equal new scanner between parentheses system.in. This system out.println, write your year or your value. Now I know I got int value, so int e equal s dot next int. It is not using here. It's this in Java. This part of code. Now I create my object year. So year y equal year of dot of e. Okay. Now I will just check. There is a method in this class here to check if the year is leap or no. So if year dot is leap, system.println, the year is leap, else the year isn't leap. So simple like this. Let's do this to the computer to see the result, and we finish this video, inshallah. Let's go.
Now I want to use the year class to check if the year is leap or no. So let's go. So I will use scanner, as I said, scanner s equal new scanner. Okay. System dot in here. After this, system dot println, write your year, and here int year equal s dot next int next int. Okay, I know it is an integer value. Now I will create my year object. So year equal y equal, I import the year from the time package, and here year dot of the value that I have, right? So it is year. Okay. Now we check. So if y dot is leap system.println, the year is leap, else system.println, check now, isn't leap. Let's check this. Let's try. So here I put my year 1965. The year isn't leap. Okay, let's continue. Would you do it again? Oops, sorry. No, etc., etc. Okay, let's try, for example, yeah, do you see? Good.
So in this video we have seen how to use a period class and year class, and in next video inshallah I'll continue with to see another class, another method. And remember, there are a lot of method and class in this Java 8 datetime API. Just Google if you want to use any class or any method from this class. May I just give you some example that what is this in this package. Can give you all of them as I said before. So Google it, use what you want. Practice. Follow me on Instagram, teams.winners, and also faisal.chico. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.